Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week starting today, the 12th of July 2021. Before I go into the trading ideas, I would like to remind you that there is currently an Independence Day sale on my website, and this is a 50% discount on my best educational packages. So it is a 50% discount on my order flow package and also 50% discount on my Elite pack, which is a volume profile educational pack, which you can find in here when you click trading course and tools. So let me very briefly show you. So this is the page where you can find the Elite pack. This is it. The Elite pack consists of volume profile video course, my personal trading levels, volume profile pack, that's a pack of my volume profile indicators which I developed, and also there's a bonus which is VWAP indicator, and my 2 books which I wrote. Now what you can do is you can watch this video for more details, as in this video I'll show you all the things which you are going to get with this Elite pack. Alright, so that's just the brief reminder of the 50% sale, and let's now go and have a look at the trading ideas. So what you see before you, this is my day trading workspace. Currently all the 3 charts show British pound, US dollar. Those charts are always linked, so they always show the same trading instrument. Now the chart at the top, this is a 60-minute chart where I have volume profile which shows how volumes were distributed throughout the whole week. So this volume profile right there shows the volume distribution over this whole week. Right, so let me actually stop there and show you the most important zone in this volume profile. Now, the most important zone in any volume profile is the point of control. This is it. The point of control is the place where the heaviest volumes were traded. Let me zoom it in a bit. Right there. This is the point of control, place where the heaviest volumes got traded last week. Now those volumes were traded in this area, right? Now from this area, from this rotation area, strong buying activity started, strong uptrend. That was on Friday, right? So it looks like that strong buyers were building up the long positions in here, in this area, and those are their positions, right? Their volumes, which you can see on the weekly volume profile. And from there, they pushed the price up first. So when the price makes a pullback to this area again, this is the heavy volume area which I'm interested in. This volume area begins at 1.3784. So when there's the pullback, then those buyers are likely to defend this area, because this area is important for them because they placed massive volumes there. You can tell by looking at the profile, right? So this is the reason why I think that this will work as a strong support. By the way, this setup which I use there is called the volume accumulation setup, because it's based on the big guys, the big trading institutions who are accumulating their positions in a rotation in here, right? So this level is very nicely visible on a 60-minute chart with a weekly volume profile, but if you have a look at this chart, then it's also nicely visible in here. This chart has the flexible volume profile, which is the profile which you can move around like this. If you look in this rotation from which the strong buying activity started, this is, by the way, this area we are looking at, right? So this is a 30-minute chart, which is a bit more detailed chart, and this is the rotation with the heavy volumes from which the strong buying activity started. So it is also very nicely visible in here on the 30-minute chart with the flexible volume profile, right? So anyways, that's the first support, 1.3784 on the British pound. Now let's go and have a look at the next trading idea, and this one will be on the Euro Swiss franc. So now all the three charts show the euro Swiss franc, and there is a strong resistance which I would like to show you, and the resistance is in here. It is at 1.0911 in here, and as you can see, it is at the beginning of this strong sell-off which took place on Thursday. Now this strong sell-off is a sign of really strong institutional sellers who manipulated and pushed the price aggressively downwards, right? So those are strong sellers. Now those strong sellers were building up their short positions most likely in here. This is massive volume area where the sellers were building up their shorts. This is the area where they did so, right? Now the beginning of this heavy volume area is in here, at our level, at our resistance at 1.0911, and this is also where there was this breakout and this crazy strong sell-off started. By the way, if you look at the 30-minute chart, there's another nice thing about this level. Let me zoom it in a bit. So the price was bouncing off that level, which means that it worked as a support, right? But then the price just shot past it, there was a breakout, the support got breached, and it turned into a resistance, right? Because the support got breached, this is the reason why it became a resistance. So this is the resistance I'm interested in trading. When there's a pullback, I expect the sellers from this area, those aggressive sellers who initiated this strong sell-off, I expect those guys to defend this heavy volume area and to push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so that's for the day trading resistance on the euro Swiss franc. And let's now go and have a look at the next pair, which is the euro Canadian dollar. So now the charts show the euro Canadian dollar, and what I would like to show you there is another level which is based on the weekly point of control. So let's have a look at the 60-minute chart, this one, and have a look at this volume profile, which is profile of the whole previous week, and it shows that the heaviest volumes in the previous week were traded in here. I hope you can see it. Maybe it will be better if I zoom it in a bit. Right there. Those volumes with point of control, a weekly point of control in here, right? So this is where the heaviest volumes throughout the whole previous week got accumulated. So what happened afterwards was strong buying activity. This indicates that those volumes were volumes of strong buyers, right? Those buyers were accumulating their longs in here, and then they pushed the price upwards. Let me show you the big picture again. Right, so from there, strong buying activity, strong uptrend from this rotation area. So when there's a pullback, those buyers are likely to defend this place because it's important for them. They placed a lot of their longs there, right? They don't want the price to go below that. So they'll defend it and they'll push the price upwards from there again. This is how the buyers from this area should react, right? Now the support is at 1.4641. This is where this heavy volume area with a weekly point of control begins. Alright, again, this is the volume accumulation setup. This is how I call the setup when there is the volume accumulation followed by a trend. This is one of my favorite volume profile setups. So anyways, that's for the video, that's for the trading ideas for today, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you found them interesting. And before I wrap this video up, I would like to announce a winner of the contest we had in the previous week. The price of the contest was flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you should see the name of the person who won the indicator. So congratulations on winning the profile. And what I will do is I will do another contest for the next week, for the next weekly trading ideas video. The only thing which you need to do to participate in this contest is just leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube. And the next week, I'll randomly pick one person to win my flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for the contest, and that's also the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, and until then, happy trading!